Hi friends, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Omar Bhatt and I have professional 10 years experience in web designing, web development, graphics designing, video editing, search engine optimization, mobile application development, and digital media marketing. This is I'm going to start Adobe Photoshop tutorial series where I will explain you about the Photoshop from scratch to advanced level. Okay, so let's start. You can see this is Photoshop and this is Adobe Photoshop CC. CC stands for Creative Cloud. This is interface of Photoshop where on the left side you can see these are tools, okay, and these are options. For instance, you can see now move tool is selected and the options you can see here like show transform controls, auto select, and other options. If I select for example any other tool, you can see options change. So options change according to the tool, okay. And this is menu where you can see file, edit, image, layer, type, select, filter, 3D view, window, help. Adobe Photoshop CC you can use as a graphics designer, as a 3D graphics designer, as a web designer, as a video editor, and as a mobile application designer also. On the top right side you can see this is workspace. Like right now essentials workspace is active. If I click 3D, as I explained you that you can use Adobe Photoshop as a 3D graphics designer, so if you select 3D you can see 3D panel will also appear. If you select motion, for instance if you are using Adobe Photoshop as a video editor, so you can see the timeline in the bottom. Timeline will appear. So these are different panels. Like if I select the default one, that is essentials, you can see here color, swatches, layers, channels, and paths. Okay, if you go to edit and click on preferences, and then if you click interface, you can see there are 4 types of color theme. This you can select, or you can select this or this or this. So it's up to you. According to your eye attraction, you can select any color theme which you like. I personally like this one, the most dark theme, and I recommend to my students and to the users of YouTube also this color theme. But it's up to you. You can select any color theme. So these all are panels like color, swatches, layers, channels, paths, and tools and options, and from where you can show or hide these panels. So if you go to window, you can see options is checked and tools are checked, color is checked, and layers also checked. So if I click on tools, you can see the left side tools will disappear. See. And if I click on options, you can see just after the menu there are options. You can see options disappear. Same thing you can see on right side layers. So if I click on layers, you can see layers also disappear. So if you want to show or hide panels, you can select from the Windows option in the menu bar. Okay, so this was the first video about the interface, about the introduction of Adobe Photoshop. In next video I will show you that how you can start a new document or new file in Photoshop, and how you can open and place, and there are more things in next video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.